welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rituja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So it's a good morning and it has been raining cats and dogs in Mumbai since yesterday night, and apparently Mumbai is on high alert. So I don't know if I have any plans today. I had a plan to go to Miniso to pick a few gifts for my friend because she has her birthday like on the 25th, so I have to go and get some gifts for her. But I don't think it's going to happen, but let's see. Like if it stops raining for 1 hour or 2, I'll just go and just get everything fatafat. So that's about today. Obviously I have to study because I have my exams from 5th October to 16th October. So till that I don't think I'll be able to do a proper video, like proper sit down video. So hence I've decided to like vlog my days. So if this vlog does good, I'll apparently vlog till 16th of August, 16th of October, sorry. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Breakfast I usually eat chapati and bhaji, and I love it with some scrambled eggs, so that's how I like everything for my breakfast. And I'm watching few Miniso haul videos. I want to watch Malvika's and that quirky miss video because I don't want to miss out on anything once I go to Miniso because I end up missing out on things, yeah. So I just don't want to miss out on it, and yeah. So I'll eat fatafat and catch you guys. So guys, it is 2 p.m. right now and it is still raining, so I don't think I'll be able to go today because I also got a notification that I have my class from 4 to 5 p.m. But I want to talk to you guys about something like thoda sa life update and thoda sa gyan. So here I go. First things first, I'm so happy because our channel finally got monetized. Like our channel got monetized within 3 months. I can't believe this that it happened. Honestly, when I was posting my first video 3 months back, I did not expect this to happen so early. That's why I'm so excited and happy about the fact that it got monetized so early. So for each one of you who have subscribed to my channel, trust me, I'm really very grateful for you guys. And I'm so thankful that you guys watch my video, you guys comment, and you make sure that you subscribe to my channel before leaving this space. And I don't know, I'm just speechless right now. But the point of this life update thingy is that for the people who are watching my video and for the people who think they also want to start a YouTube channel and they think it is very late, so I want to tell you guys that it is never too late. Even if it is 2020, even if it is 2030, it is never going to be late to start doing something which you literally love doing a lot. So if you think YouTube is your thing, if you think Instagram blogging is your thing, and if you think you can do it, so just get started with it. Do a lot of research, plan everything, plan your niche, plan what content you want to post, and just start posting it because social media is a huge market for everyone. And please don't make it about numbers. Never make it about numbers. Obviously you should have small goals, but never make it about numbers. You only need few people in your life who trust you, and even if you don't have few people in your life who trust you, you have yourself. So make sure you believe in yourself and you don't need anyone in your life. Trust me, you don't need anyone in your life. Just freaking get started. Just don't think about anyone, just think about yourself. Just think about things that are going to make you happy. लोगों का अगर सोचोगे तो people are just going to judge you no matter what. So at the first place, just do what you love doing rather than thinking about people. So I just wanted to butterfly some gyan over here because I know few people who are afraid of what people will think about them at the first place. So I just want to tell you guys, like, literally F them because they are not going to live your life. You're going to live your life. You're going to create a life for yourself. So you have a huge role to play in your life. So believe in yourself and just get started with it. If you love doing it, just get started with it. Don't just do it for numbers. Don't just do it for fame. It should never be about numbers. I started my new Instagram account because I was just feeling so low on my old account. So I just thought of starting a new account altogether. So I just started it yesterday. Eventually your tribe is going to find you. So all you have to do is trust in yourself, believe in yourself, and just get started. That's it. You just need to get started. बस इतना ही I want to tell you guys. I know ज़्यादा ज्ञान हो गया, but I just I have been there. Like I know people have judged me a lot, and I know it feels terrible. But at the end of the day, you are just doing what you love doing. So that feeling is surreal. And when you get appreciated for it, and when you achieve little milestones, it feels very good, it feels amazing. So I would just tell you guys that please get started and please just start doing things that you love doing. Just किसी के बारे में सोचो मत, think about yourself and just give it a try. I'm not saying कि job छोड़ दो, ये छोड़ दो, but at least try, like side by side you can do it. Obviously even I'm studying, even I'm working with my mom, so I'm doing this side by side. But just just start, because life में कोई regret नहीं रहना चाहिए कि I don't know if I would have done this, ये कैसा होता है and all that. So just get started. I know मैंने बहुत बार बोला, but yeah, just get started. If you need any help, you can always reach to me. I leave everything in the description box below. You can connect to me anytime you want. So yeah, बहुत फटफट बोल लिया, but yeah, I just wanted to talk to camera because I love talking to camera, and yeah, this is what I wanted to get out of my system for so long. So yeah, believe in yourself and you will rock the world. And guys, I'm so sorry for my आवाज. I don't know कैसे बैठ गया. Like I did not drink anything cold also, but I don't know कैसे बैठ गया. If my mom is watching this video, she will say stop drinking cold coffee. Cold coffee का असर है. No, actually not. ये weather ऐसा हो जाता है ना, because it's raining, so I feel थोड़ा सा cold and then मेरा आवाज, I don't know. It makes no sense to me, but I think it is what it is.
Okay.
So now I'll go and study. I'll attend my lectures and catch you in the evening, maybe if I'm going to Miniso or tomorrow. Bye. So guys, apparently I decided to go to Miniso because उसके बाद I don't have time and it has stopped raining. So we are going and this is what I am wearing. Hava. I took you. I wanted to show you so tall. I'm back home and this is all I got. This is the gift wrapping paper, so I have to wrap everything now. I am going to sit and sanitize everything now because precautions. So I'll show you what all I got, but after sanitizing everything. Now I'm all freshened up and I'll quickly show you guys what all I got from Miniso because I know you want to see that. So firstly, and yeah, I won't be able to share the prices, but मतलब जो मैंने मेरे लिए लिया I'll share the prices. But बाकी सब, if you want to know the prices, you can DM me on my Instagram because obviously they are gifts. So basically, I have 3 Minisos near my house and we went to 2 and दोनों में कुछ available नहीं था. So I had to like shop दूसरी जगह पे भी. So I have थोड़ा सा mixed products, like some are from Miniso and some are from random shops. So from Miniso, the first item that I got is this hanger set. Now I already have one hanger set in the same color from Miniso as well. But वो कम पड़ते थे because you know my कपड़ा and you know मेरा cupboard का हालत. You have seen that in my previous vlog. So I wanted to arrange my clothes very nicely and I'm planning to use them in my room decor as well. So that is a different video altogether. So I got them. Now these are for 190 rupees and you get 10 of them and I think it is very nice. मतलब quality भी अच्छा है, so मतलब मेरे लिए चल जाता है. So the second thing that I got for myself is this nail pen. Now I wanted to buy a purple nail pen since a really long time. I don't know why. So I picked this up from Miniso and it is very nice. Like the texture and everything is very nice. So it will last you very long because obviously it is for 90 bucks. And so now I like to share something with you guys. So for my personal experience, whenever I used to travel in local trains, I used to always get 20 rupees का nail pens for myself, but they only lasted me for like एक बार swatch करके they were done. Like I couldn't use it. So now I have started investing in good nail pens because they really last you long. So I don't mind spending 100 behind a nail pen because I know that it is going to last me for a long time. So that's why I bought this as well. Then third item that I got from Miniso is this are the headphones. Now my friend is basically, she's my family friend and she's 14 years old, so she likes all these girly things and this is in pink color, so I just thought I'll get it for her because she has her classes going on. So you know, I thought this will be useful. So again, if you want to know the price, you can always DM me and I'll let you know. I'll gift her and I'll let you know how this works because like you can't connect Bluetooth, they have wire. So that is the only con this has, but they are cute, like they are white and I really like them, so I picked it up for her. Then I got a small bottle for her as well. Like, this is so cute. Apparently I was going to take this for myself, but then I was like, you know, you need to control. It's her birthday, not mine. So I got this for her. So इसके ऊपर love enjoy your life लिखा है, which is very cute. I like cute stuff like this, so I know even she will like it. It is made of glass and it is very very nice. Like, I liked it personally, and मेरे को लोगों को bottles देना बहुत अच्छा लगता है because I want to remind them that please drink water. So even I have my sipper, and apparently I wanted to take new sipper as well, but as I said, mini so में कुछ था ही नहीं available. I think they have this new collection of Marvel, and I'm not a Marvel fan, so sorry, but I'm not a Marvel fan, so मुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं आया. I also wanted to take a razor because मेरा razor मैंने घुमा दिया है because I have face shave, so I wanted to take that as well, but कुछ था ही नहीं, so जितना मिला I took it. I went to 2 mini stores, so 2 mini stores में जाके also I took only these many things. Like, I was so excited, but yeah, whatever. I took 3 pair of kapadas now. These are from random shops, Udhari. So I got this one piece for her. It is very pretty. She is taller than me. Like, I'm not what taller, I'm very short. I'm 5'2", and like I think she is 5'6" or 5'5". So it is very long and it will fit her very nicely. So this is like a one piece, and I really love the detailing over here. I really liked it, and you can adjust it aisa. So I think it is very good. It is a very nice deal. So yeah, I hope she likes it because मैंने बहुत चुन के कपड़े लिए. I love gifting things to people, and I just love gifting everything. The last thing that I got for her are these mini shorts. So इस पे ऐसे popcorn का design बना है, and I really liked it. I got one for myself as well, but वो तो मैंने last time लिया था, and I just thought, you know, we can twin. So mine is in white one and this is in grey one. So I apparently liked it, so I was like, you know, यही ले लेते हैं करके. So I took it. So the last thing that I got for myself are these shorts. Now I love them. They are high waist and they were only for $200. So what a steal! What a freaking steal! Because they are of cotton, and I think a new pattern aa raha hai market mein, so I really like them. I just tried them out, and I'm not a big fan of the fitting, but I really liked it because I can wear it as high waist and it is cotton, so I don't think I need anything else in my life. I love wearing shorts. You always find me in shorts. I am not a jeans person. I'm a sucker for good shorts, so I ended up buying this for myself. And that's all that I have for her, and that's all that I have for myself. So I quickly wrap up everything because tomorrow it's her birthday and I don't have time because I have to go and study now because I am a night owl and मैं रात को ही पढ़ती हूँ and मैं बाकी सब दिन पढ़ नहीं सकती. Like, पूरा दिन I do time pass and study at night. Comment down below if you also study at night because I can't study in the morning. I'm just not a morning person. So high five even if you are a night owl. I love you. Today's video. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you would like to see more vlogs because I'm just getting used to it. Please don't judge my vlogging skills. I'll improve day by day. So let me know in the comment box below what you think about it, and make sure you hit the like button if you liked watching this video, and also subscribe to my channel because we are very close to 2K. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.